In the first episode, if you haven't seen it, watch here. Steve was hired as a simple forklift operator. But little did he know, the Pharaoh had ordered hundreds of them. Now the desert shakes, engines roar, and a golden cloud rises as a fleet charges toward the pyramid. What will Steve do?
Your Highness! Your Highness!
What's up, Steve? I've ordered many forklifts, and you're the commander.
It's not like that. We have to follow OSHA. According to OSHA, all operator training and evaluation shall be conducted by persons who have the knowledge, training, and experience to train powered industrial truck operators and evaluate their competence.
You have those qualifications, Steve.
How to appoint a forklift trainer. First thing to do is to identify qualified candidates. Look for operators who have several years of safe operating experience, who understand OSHA 29 CFR 1910.178 requirements, who shows leadership, patience, and communication skills. They must be able to teach, not just operate, and are respected by peers and seen as role models. The employer must provide Train the Trainer certification. Even if they are excellent operators, OSHA requires trainers to be qualified through knowledge, training, and experience. Enroll them in a Forklift Train the Trainer course. This equips them with teaching methods, knowledge to conduct classroom and hands-on sessions, and evaluate and document operator performance. Formally appoint them. Issue a letter of appointment or update your company's safety policy, naming them as a forklift trainer. Give them the authority to run classroom training, conduct practical evaluations, recommend refresher or remedial training, provide administrative support, training materials, forms, checklists, evaluation sheets. Set trainers' responsibilities. The trainer's role should be clearly defined. Conduct initial and refresher operator training. Observe operators during shifts and give corrective feedback. Keep records of training, certifications, and recertifications. Stay updated on OSHA and local forklift safety standards. Bottom line, a forklift trainer isn't just any operator. They need real experience, proper Train the Trainer certification, and official appointment by management. That's how you keep your team safe and OSHA compliant. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more forklift safety tips.